cheers guys, this is very delicious. When food nice, you cut and swallow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making a delicious okra saltfish recipe. Let's get into it. Okay guys, now for our ingredients. Our main ingredient is okra as you know it, and then we have some spice over here. We have some tomato, pepper, onion, carrot, scallion, celery, oregano, bell pepper, and jalapeno, and some thyme. And then in here I have saltfish, and I cook my saltfish with pepper to give it a nice flavor, and I'm going to cook this some more to get out all the salt. So let us get into it. Alright guys, let me show you how I prepare my okra. So this is my okra. So what I would do is just cut the tip off right here, cut the bottom off, and then you just want to give it a nice scrub. Clean it up. And then you just cut it in two. Alright, for this one, I cut it, I realized the seed is brown and it was a little hard to cut. This one is no good. Alright, this one, cut it. Cut into it, very easy to cut in. The seed is nice and white, and this one is good. Okay guys, I have everything ready. This is my tomato, my onion, my celery, my bell pepper, my jalapeno pepper, my scallion, my hot pepper, my oregano, I have my thyme, and I have my carrot, my okra. This is what the saltfish look like when it's cooked, no salt, and I break it down into little pieces. And then I have my black pepper here. So let us start cooking. I have some olive oil, some extra virgin, you know. Make it get hot a little bit. Spread that around. Alright, you want to know if the oil hot? You can test it by just add one little piece of thing in there. So yes, my oil is hot. So I'm going to add my pepper, my onion, everything except for the tomato. Leave that to saute for a minute or two on medium to low heat. Sauteing slowly and nicely because you want all the flavor to just come out, you know. So when you had your okra, it absorbs all that flavor and it would taste delicious. So just let that saute nicely. Okay guys, you will be able to tell when it's sauteing because it's starting to smell really good all the time, and you can tell because the spice look a little droopy. So now I'm going to add my oregano and my tomato. And then also give that a minute or two to saute. In the meantime guys, While this is sauteing nicely, please guys, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so whenever I put out a nice delicious recipe, you will be first to be notified. So go ahead, click the subscribe button and turn on the bell. Alright guys, from the look of it, you can tell that everything is nicely sauteed. You can compare from how it looked when I just added to how it looked now. Nicely sauteed and ready for the saltfish. Let's go and add that in. Mix it in. Then you're going to give that 1 minute. Let the saltfish cook and absorb all that flavor. I'm going to also go ahead and add me a little bit of black pepper. Because I use saltfish, I don't add any salt. But because I wash out the salt from the saltfish, you can taste this at this point to see if it needs more salt. So you'd have to taste it to know. Alright, just leave that to saute, looking very nice and delicious. Alright guys, now that is nice and sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and add my main ingredients, my okra. So just want to get that in there and let it saute for a minute or two. You don't want to cook your okra too much. Okra can be eaten raw. I like to have that crunchy. When I'm eating, I want to taste I want to hear the crunchiness of it. So I don't want it to cook too soft. I'm going to put it up on high a little bit. Medium on medium, not high. Don't cook on high at all. Just let it saute. Alright, that's what it looks like. I'm going to cover that up and give it a minute to steam. All done. Now it's all done and it is looking and smelling delicious. And now it is time to sit and enjoy this delicious, glorious meal. Yes, this is very delicious and very healthy. Now Huzzy and I feast. Remember guys to subscribe for more delicious recipe. Elsie and I was talking and enjoying this delicious okra saltfish, and we were just talking stuff no one wants to hear. So now I am just doing a voiceover, but I was enjoying this meal. And remember guys, to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, leave me a comment, and please try this recipe. It's so healthy and it's so nice for you. Enjoy guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.